Welcome to our channel. If you need to file an environmental complaint with the EPA and follow up effectively, follow these step-by-step instructions to report environmental violations. Step 1. Identify the type of environmental issue you're reporting, such as air pollution, water contamination, hazardous waste, or illegal dumping. The EPA has different programs for different types of violations. Step 2. Gather evidence, including photos, videos, dates and times of violations, location information, and any documentation like test results or health effects. The more specific your evidence, the more useful your complaint. Step 3. Visit the EPA's website and locate the appropriate complaint form. The EPA has online forms for different types of violations, or you can call the EPA hotline at 1-800-424-4372. Step 4. For immediate hazards, call the National Response Center at 1-800-424-8802, which operates 24/7 for reporting oil spills, chemical releases, and other environmental emergencies. Step 5. Complete the complaint form with detailed information about what is being released or disposed of, where it's happening, when you observed it, and who is responsible if known. Step 6. Provide your contact information if you're willing. While you can file anonymously, EPA investigators may need to contact you for additional information or to access the property. Step 7. Understand the EPA's role. The EPA investigates violations of environmental laws, but may refer issues to state environmental agencies. Response times vary depending on severity and resources. Step 8. Follow up on your complaint by contacting the EPA regional office that handles your area. Ask for a case number when you file your complaint to reference in follow-up communications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.